adding shelves to our boys' room. We have 3 shelves and they're this kind of gray brownish color. And Grant went with these pre-made, ready to hang shelves. They're gonna go here, here, and here. Right here, we are going to put some built-in shelves with probably doors, something like that. And all the stuff from our craft room, homeschool room is going to eventually come in here. Since we're doing this update project, I'm just gonna go through and see what we no longer need in here, what we can declutter. I'm just starting by pulling out all the things that I know my children do not use and haven't used in a really long time. So puzzles and games that they just never use. This goes to my mom's. They never play this. I'm gonna see if my mom wants these puzzles. In the meantime, Grant is hanging these shelves and all of us are in this room working together. And I'm just pulling more things down, books that I can organize better, and finding better ways to put this closet together so I know where everything is. After Christmas, we had a lot of things come in and we kept the boxes even though we didn't really need them. We'd already made the projects. So I'm just going through, getting rid of the boxes we don't need anymore and sorting through everything. Both of these travel bags. I don't know if we still need this one. This is like for babies.
No, I want it.
Would you guys be okay if we got rid of this one?
Yeah.
Lots and lots of bags.
And
you guys, do you think we still need this red one?
It's one of my favorite toys.
So far, I'm getting rid of this bag and a whole bag of stuff here.
So far, so amazing.
I keep the off-season clothes in a bin just so my children aren't getting confused between bathing suit trunks and shorts, and the seasons can get confusing when they're getting dressed themselves. So I like to pull out the really obvious things that they're not going to need to wear that season, and I put them in a bin. So I was just getting everything organized and switching some stuff around, pulling out items that need to be fixed or that we really don't need a whole bin for, and just sorting through clothes that no longer fit, they've grown out of, that could be handed down to my younger son. And I realized that since we put them each having their own set of drawers, that I could actually fold a lot of these shirts so it would be easier for them to get dressed and wear these clothes that were hanging previously. While I was looking for things to declutter, I was mostly trying to get organized, especially since Christmas. We have not really gone through their room and made sure everything has a spot. We had our Christmas presents and then we just stuck everything in their room. They started playing with everything. So it's a really good idea. Once in a while, I like to just go through and make sure everything has a spot and is organized. And this was a great feeling, taking all of this trash out of here and boxes we no longer needed. That anymore, do we?
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's all. Downstairs. Broken. Filled up another bag. Tonight was one of those nights where I was going through the toys with my boys and they were telling me the things that they didn't really need or the things that they definitely wanted to keep. And sometimes I do involve them and sometimes I don't, but I just thought it would be easier since we were all in this room together and we were trying to get this project done. Do we need this or no? No. Okay, tell me what we need and what we don't need. Can we get rid of this broken light guy or are we still playing with him? They decided to keep that broken leg guy, which I thought was really funny, but they do play with him. And sometimes it's a good idea to involve your kids, at least I think so, because it shows them that they can get rid of the things that they don't need or that are broken, and it kind of teaches them how to declutter and how to stay organized for when they're older and living on their own. They know they don't have to keep every single little thing. So I do like to involve them and get their opinion once in a while, and other times I like to just get the project done and move on. I was able to get this closet way more organized. We decluttered a whole bunch of puzzles, and we got rid of 2 bags of toys that they no longer use and just junky little things that had broken. So I'm super happy, and that is one reason why I always do a seasonal declutter, because I find even though we're super careful with what comes in our house, there's always something that I can normally declutter and get rid of each season. Here is the closet and how we organize it. So we do have some art hanging in here that they really love, but we don't have a lot of space on the walls out there. Then we have the jackets for winter. My younger son is obsessed with luggage, so he fills this and plays with this. Then we just have shoes, my older son's set of drawers. This is full of little Lego projects they can work on themselves. This is a bin we use to clean up, so this actually goes with the Lego stored under their bed, but this we use all the time just to gather random pieces around the house. Then up here I have Christmas books and books for when they're older, books we read together. Then we have flashcards and Bob's books. Then up here we have all the games and puzzles. And then here we have their bags for when we go on trips and summer clothes. Here we have our whole library of books. This is every single book we have, and we like to use a little library and switch them out all the time. But this is great for us because we are homeschooling. Then here we have all the Duplo. We have all their hats and dress-up clothes. This is the trains. Normally they're out right now. And then here we have the babies and the stuffed animals. This is my younger son's set of drawers, and we just switched to each of them having their own sets because it just makes it so much easier for them to put stuff away. Then under here, this is where we are not minimal. We have a ton of Lego. So my son uses this constantly and he builds so many amazing creations. So we have a lot of little Lego. Here we have all the random toys, a lot of dress up play stuff and Nerf stuff. And they use this stuff constantly. Down here we have all of the cars and planes and trains and little guys, and they use this all the time. Finally, we have the fire station that Grant made them, and they play with this all the time, and they use it as an ambulance, fire, emergency area, and then they have the guys play in there as if they live there, and it's really, really fun for them. And then now we have the shelves that they can put all of their creations on and all the stuff that they like to play with and see all the time. Bluey we love, and it's just a great place for them to actually see what they've made. I got some nice blue paint to paint this wall as an accent wall. Grant is going to be putting in a closet right here that we took the room from the other side. Make sure you follow me over on my vlogging channel where I show so much more of the projects that we do and the things we get up to in our lives. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, we like it today. Today is a popular day. We love today.